Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this episode we will be making one of our favorite Kiwi snack or treat, and that is lolly cake. I am Mills and this is
Narina.
Okay, let's start cooking. These are our ingredients: packet of digestive biscuits or malt biscuits, mixed lollies, a packet of red velvet Oreos, condensed milk, butter, and desiccated coconuts. Marina, you're going to cut the lollies.
Need a nice long knife. Do I just cut one at a time?
While Narina's cutting the lollies, I will just crush our biscuits.
Is it a lolly cake or a lolly?
It is a lolly cake because it's got lollies inside. Yeah? I'm using the old-fashioned rolling pin. Oh no, not roll.
Look guys, teeth.
Okay.
Bag out of the way. So you guys, we recommend if you make this cake, use scissors to cut the lollies. There's knives are this is how we do it. Stars.
Are they sweet?
Yep, very sweet.
I don't think so. Some of those are not. So
What's your favorite lolly? I like the teeth.
I like the snakes.
Sorry, I'm not being mean. One of my favorite lollies. How long will this cake take to make?
It doesn't take long at all.
Anyway, where's our music mill? Is gone. White plain lollies. So, Mum, will we end up taste testing these cakes?
Yeah.
When? At night time?
No, today.
Better be today. Another teeth, people. Time to cut the teeth. Interrupted my speech. One of my favorite lollies.
Alright, you can put that aside. And then, okay, so it's time for me to finish off crushing the biscuits.
I'll try some too.
Yeah. I mean, we could do this in the food processor, but do a little bit of workout and crush the biscuits. Yeah, go ahead.
This is how I do my biscuits. Bit of both.
do it. Sometimes it's good to...
It's good to be sure. Sorry, I'll just leave it to a professional.
But sometimes it's good to have a little bit of bits and pieces of the biscuits in there. So that will do. What we'll do now, we will empty it into our bowl.
Fat pieces in here.
Okay, so we'll leave this here for now. I'm going to go ahead and add. So we've crushed the biscuits. Let's add the lollies in there.
Never tried those.
Okay,
but
put it aside for now.
excuse me. Don't laugh whilst I'm reading.
Excuse you? Ooh, look at those.
Let me say my words. Don't interrupt me.
So I'm going to crush these.
Oh, that's not fair. Wow.
So use your favorite biscuits and chuck it in our bowl.
Sorry, I was gonna eat it, but I guess I have to cut it. Can't wait to see the final product.
You know why I love this? Because of the cheesecake flavor in the middle of the Oreo biscuits. Okay, so that should do it. All right.
It's my turn.
In the meantime, we are going to melt the butter. You can melt it in the microwave. I'm just going to melt it on the oven on low heat.
Hey, people.
Okay, so the
I'll
butter
get a new spatula.
and
Interrupting my words.
all right.
I'm gonna mix.
Okay, so we've got everything here. Our lollies, our red velvet Oreo biscuits, as well as our crushed biscuits that we did in the beginning. Okay, let's go ahead and add our butter and condensed milk. Now, Narina, go ahead and mix them gently so everything combines. You can use that one if you like.
Oh, no way. Trying to do the folding tutorial.
You want to get that one that you had before?
No. So much brown cookies. It's just so hard to...
You want to do it?
It's getting hard, guys.
Right.
Oops, sorry guys. I got a bit of cookie on the board. Do I put it in the bin or I add it? Don't
bin.
waste it.
Okay,
Okay.
let's...
How? Just jealous of your friend.
So mix it well
Yep.
until all the ingredients are well combined.
How does this turn into a cake?
Okay, now our next might add a little bit more condensed milk. Yeah, go ahead and do the final mix and I'll prepare the other one.
Okay. Does the butter make it hard?
Mix in that one. The
Answer
condensed.
my question.
Smells nice with the biscuits. It will get harder, but you got to roll it into a roll.
Fine.
So you can say lolly cake or lolly slice, because we're going to roll it into a log kind of thing and then put it in the fridge. That will do. You want to put it aside for now. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, I'm going to lay out some cling wrap. Now we're going to go and sprinkle ahead and sprinkle some of the coconuts on top of the cling wraps. Right now we will transfer our mix onto cling wrap, and then you see what I'm doing? So you're going to try and create a log, just like that. So smooth the top as best as you can.
It's gonna look good.
It smells good already.
Oh, just kidding. Wow.
So do your best. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can form a log just like that. Okay, that's the best I can do. And then go ahead with the coconut. Rena, you want to sprinkle more coconuts on top?
It's gonna taste unbelievable. Laugh at me. The best. The coconut.
If you don't, oh sorry, go ahead, Rena. Say what you have to say.
Time already. The best coconut lolly log or whatever. Lolly log.
Cake.
Cake.
Mm.
Fine.
No. Okay, that's it. So let's go ahead and roll this up.
Excuse me.
I'm going to take my gloves out because it's full of coconut. Okay, so we're rolling it like that, and you're pressing it at the same time as well. Okay, then you secure the sides. Voila! So here it is, families and friends. We have completed it. It's time now for us to put it in the freezer for about half an hour to an hour until it's all set, and then we'll bring it out and cut it and serve. Okay, and that is it. It's very quick and easy. Guys, it's a matter of just putting together your sweets. But this is one of our favorite Kiwi treat, lolly cake. You can add all your favorite sweets in it. The kids love it. Who wouldn't like, sweet treats? Do you like sweet treats?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you love?
You like sweet treats?
I do now and then.
She likes
but
chips better than
I'm more
treats.
a savoury person. But if you are not a sweet person and you trying to avoid, there's health or sugarless alternatives you can use. You can use the low sugar or less sugar ingredients. But that's our lolly cake, families and friends. We will show you when we come back the outcome. See you in the next half an hour. Right, let's go ahead and taste our lolly slice or lolly cake, whatever you call it. Rena, you go ahead and do it. Do the test tasting for us.
Let's both do it.
Oh, you want us to both do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, one for you and one for me.
3, 2, 1.
I like it. It's not too sweet, right?
I could feel the lollies. Cause like if you like try to bite it, it's hard because the lollies.
Taste the Oreo biscuits too.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Good. I'm
Tell
saying
the
not
truth.
bad. It's not bad.
Yeah?
It's good.
Oh, okay. Cut. Yeah.
He didn't tell me to eat the whole.
What do you think? What can you put in there if you were to make it yourself?
If you don't want red velvet Oreos, you can have the chocolate Oreos.
No, for you. I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'd have chocolate Oreos.
What would you put in there?
Chocolate Oreos. Snakes, like cut the snakes.
Yeah.
I keep the coconut. Makes it good. And I think, yeah, that's it. Chocolate Oreos, snakes, and coconut. I would like to change the biscuit, the type of biscuit.
You can.
I want to change it to the cookies from the chocolate, the double choc chip cookies from Subway. Like the dark choc, yep, that's mine. For the log, yep, that's my dream cake. What about you?
I'm happy with this because I love the biscuits that we use, digestive biscuits. So I like the taste and the flavor of what we've made so far. So that's our lolly cake or lolly roll, whatever name you can come up with. One of our Kiwis' favorite treat. There's all sorts of ways. One-off treat or once a month kind of treat. Did you like that, Narina? Did you like making it? Do you think it's easy?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, well, I hope you enjoy and you find this recipe helpful from our kitchen. Still, someone's still enjoying that.
Touch my mouth.
You got white things all over.
Okay, sorry.
I hope you find this recipe useful and helpful. If you do make it, let us know in the comments below how you feel and what ingredients that you use. One of our favorite Kiwi treats, which is lolly slice or lolly cake. Thank you for watching and thank you for cooking with Mills and Narina. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And thank you to all our subscribers. We appreciate all your support and love to the channel. Take care, everyone, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.